Good morning, everyone. Chandra, Suresh, good morning. Who else is here? चार पांच लोग हैं कम से कम. हेलो करो, बताओ कहाँ से हो. नए हो तो, और अगर रेगुलर हो तो आई वुड लाइक टू से गुड मॉर्निंग. मोगली, गुड मॉर्निंग. एंड अशोक, गुड मॉर्निंग. थैंक यू, अशोक, फॉर कीपिंग योर नेम इन द ब्रैकेट. निर्मला, गुड मॉर्निंग. वुड्स एंड ब्रिक्स, प्रेम, मेरे ख्याल से. ट्रेड प्लान देखा है आप लोगों ने? कल रात भेजा है जो मैंने. हैव यू वॉच द ट्रेड प्लान? यू नो व्हाट टू एक्सपेक्ट टुडे. Good morning, Naveen, Pramod, Prachi. Yes, Nirmala, I know. Welcome. You will enjoy and learn a lot. I can promise you your trading game will change completely. Good morning, Hanumant. Good morning, Sandeep. Okay, now for the charts. अगर आपने ट्रेड प्लान देखा है तो आपको समझ में आ गया ये लाइन क्या है, क्यों है, और अभी क्या एक्सपेक्ट करना है. यू नो दैट ऑलरेडी. Where is the pre-open? It's 9:03, so pre-open should be coming in the next 4 5 minutes. GIF Nifty trading around 380, 24 380, which is about 250 points above Nifty future. So we can expect about anywhere between 150 to 250 as a gap up. बोला था ना कल, आवरली ट्रेंड बुलिश है, शॉर्ट टर्म ट्रेंड बुलिश है, बट वीकली एंड डेली ट्रेंड इज नेगेटिव. Nifty has to trade above 350 here. Let me remove these indicators here. It has to trade above this line, 350, and persist there for some time. Then we can expect up move. Good morning, Karthik. Mowgli, yes, you're also part of GG7. I understand. Welcome. And you will realize how your trading pattern will change in the next 4 weeks. In fact, your trading pattern will start changing from the first day onwards. You will be surprised. Good morning, Pawan. And that's the uniqueness of this coaching program. सबसे पहले आपके लॉस होना रुक जाएंगे. बड़े बड़े लॉस जो आप कर रहे हो ना, that losses will stop. If at all there will be losses, they'll be so small that you will laugh. You will say, yeah, this is one of the smallest losses I've had. And the profits will start coming in. Good morning, Varnika. Varnika is part of the GG6, Go Green 6, and doing very well. Good morning, Vivek. So Vivek is also part of the GG6. You will realize why people are joining in the morning live because they understand the value of the coaching program. It's not the cost, it's the value part that makes a difference. Let me switch on my camera. I forgot to switch on my camera. Here I am. Hello. All right. Okay, let's look at the charts back again. So we're expecting about 150 to 250 points gap up. Pre-open has come. Wow. It's 386. बहुत सारे लोग bearish थे. And I'd said that morning it has to show some kind of a positivity. The question is, will it sustain above 350? It's opening at 386, 24, 386. It should sustain above 350 for at least 15 minutes. And then the first hour's close will be important. 908. Bank Nifty is opening at 5612. And Bank Nifty has resistance around 50,600, 700 or 800. So there is whatever it will get in the gap of open. But after that, the move will get tougher for Bank Nifty. I'm not saying it will not move, it will move, but the move will get tougher. Okay, this is where we are in 15 minutes. This is the status. It is opening at 386. These are all resistance level drawn. You will learn all this as part of the Go Green initiative, how to draw these resistances, these levels, so that you can plan your trades accordingly. If you are new, please mention your name and city. Nine, 10. Yes, Pramod, that's the consolidation happening. Good morning, Amal and Karthik. Perfect trend line support taken. Yes, absolutely. Entertainment, entertainment, entertainment. क्या बात है? Samir from Pune. Welcome, Samir. Welcome to the morning trade. It's always nice to get new people and nice to know which city they are from. Srinivas Reddy. Uh, I remember you. I've seen you earlier, probably yesterday. Which city? Can you please mention your city as well? Trade very peacefully, absolutely peacefully. One slight disturbance and you can hit the wrong button. No, okay, just a minute. All right. Yeah, okay. Thank you for letting us know. You're from Bangalore. Good to see you, Srinivas. Welcome. Everyone is welcome. And if you feel like, feel free to share the link of this live that you got with your friends, in your network, with your other groups. We are here only for 1 hour. We will close this discussion at 10 o'clock. Most of us are done within the first few minutes of the day. Nisam, good morning. Please also remind me which city you are from. 9:12, 9:12 a.m. And let me bring up this 3 minutes. These are 3 minutes charts. 3 minutes in futures. On the left side is Bank Nifty futures, right side is Nifty futures. I'm deliberately squeezing it so that I can see the chart when it opens gap up. Hopefully, it will come within the range. Hmm. 9:13, another 1.5 minutes to go. Once again, expecting a gap up, and we have got the gap up. The move will further go in the positive direction if for the first 15 minutes, if it at least manages to stay above 24,350 in spot. So it's opening at 386, 24,386. It should close above 350, 360. Only then we can expect the up move. Otherwise, this could fizzle out. That's the logic. Okay, nice. And thank you so much from Kerala. Thank you for reminding me. It's always good to always mention your city because you're not part of the Grow Green initiative yet. So um, it takes me some time to register names and cities. All right. The elite group, all the participants of the Go Green initiative, we will have an internal discussion today after this this session is over. I'll let you know separately when exactly what time, but it could be earlier than you think. Market has opened. Let's see what it is doing. Pressure on the downside. This is the spot chart. Pressure is on the downside. This is the 3 minutes futures charts. This is for the morning scalp. Bank Nifty taking support at 50,500 or so, and Nifty taking support around 24,450 or so in futures, both in futures. What is happening in spot? In spot, it is made a attempted a high of 387. Open is equal to high, not a good sign. Let's see how it pans out. This high should be broken without delay, otherwise this can become the high point of the day and then the fall can resume. What is happening on the daily charts? Same pattern, red candles, Nifty mein, Bank Nifty maybe. So this is daily, this is hourly, and this is 15 minutes. Good thing is it is taking support at 325 and right now it is maintaining above 353. All it has to do is to stay above 350, 360 after 15 minutes. These are the charts basis which we do the morning trades. Bank Nifty and Nifty, 3 minutes futures. Bank Nifty seems to be getting some kind of a momentum, but still lower than where it opened. 4 seconds to go before the first 3 minutes candle close, and it has closed now. Good morning, Raj. Pramod, you're saying all banks in positive, okay? Hmm. We'll check that soon. In the meanwhile, what are our top four stocks doing? HDFC's bank is positive, but has a strong resistance at 1656. Reliance is almost where it was last evening. ICICI Bank is positive. Infosys is positive. So number one, three, and four are positive. Two is neutral. Okay. पहले 3 मिनट की जो रेंज है वो तो टूटनी चाहिए on the upside for the further up move. If the first 3 minutes range does not break on the upside, why would we pick up a bullish view? Think logically. If you have taken a call trade, start thinking. I have a feeling it will break the upside sooner or later. The only problem is if it doesn't break. Otherwise, it should break. The momentum is showing up because it's 920 and we are seeing Nifty trading at 360 in spot. That, ladies and gentlemen, is a good sign, but a little too early. We will wait for the situation around 9:30. And in the 3-minute chart, it is definitely looking like going up. Wait for the break, wait for the break and a close above the break to take a peaceful trade. People who panic and have no control on their emotions would have already jumped in right now. It's okay if you're in the right direction, but if you're in the wrong direction, you need to understand the rules. Both indices in 3 minutes charts are showing RSI around 80. Also keep that in mind. None of the index has yet broken the range. Raj says profits running around 30 points, Nifty calls. Okay, good. Ensure your stop loss is in place. Am I? Okay, just a minute. Nifty future September charts. Wait, maybe these are not August charts. Can someone reconfirm? Why are you plotting Nifty futures September chart? Says Nirmala. I thought I plotted the August charts. Nifty futures. Isn't this August? Where do you see September? Please help me, someone, if you can. Nifty 2 is for September, obviously. Yes, that's for August. Have I plotted unknowingly September? Just a minute. I plotted Nifty 1. This is August. I've not plotted Nifty 2. Where is the confusion? Yeah, correct. Nifty 1 is for August and I plotted Nifty 1. This is not Nifty September. This is not Nifty 2. If there is a difference in your thought process, but it is top is showing Nifty 2. Where? Oh, you're talking about this here. Okay, got it. Got it. Yeah, corrected. Point taken, corrected. Thank you so much for bringing it out. Must have been, I must have been seeing something and I left it there. Thank you. Okay, we've seen a clear breakout in Nifty and Bank Nifty also wanting to move out right now. All who were in yesterday's call or who have responded as bearish, please need to understand why it was bullish. You need to understand the trend. Otherwise, you'll not be able to catch these moves and you'll be sitting with wrong positions and realizing that you are only losing money. I'm talking to the people and they know what I'm talking. So others will not understand this. It's 9:28 and we are looking at Nifty sustaining around 390, which is good news. मुझे बैंक निफ्टी पे बहुत तरस आता है, इतना अच्छा मूव और बैंक निफ्टी वहीं का वहीं है, थोड़ा सा ही ऊपर है. 24408 is another level which is already touched almost. This is in spot and you can probably see some kind of a profit booking after 9:30. It's almost there. On above 350, 360 level, which I had said is the criteria for me to consider that Nifty is going to go up today. 9:30, ladies and gentlemen, and Nifty has managed to stay above 350, which is great news. Hooked 30 points in Nifty calls. All right. Good job, Suresh. Wonderful. The move is likely to continue with some bit of retracement. Wait for some bit of retracement. It will come down. It will come down probably to In this futures chart, it will come down to 378 or even at 355 levels. The levels I'm talking right now is for futures. Wait for the retracement, let it come down. It's had a morning 100 meter sprint. It has to take some breath before it goes up. Wait for the pause, and if you have your SLs, plan your SLs accordingly, or exit your trade, close your trades, whichever way it works for you. And if you have made profit, do not enter the market again. Listen to this line. Do not enter the market again if you have made your money. Otherwise, second trade, you will lose your money. That's how psychology works. Pramod, you exited your trade as my trailing SL hit at cost 2 points plus. It's okay. Good thing is you did not lose. Celebrate. Perfect. That's how you to manage your finances. That's how you manage your money. Do not lose. Bas, that's all. And even if you lose, lose a little. That's it. Suresh has booked 30 points in Nifty calls. Pramod is exited cost to cost and it is fine. I'm just plotting some levels for reference. Nifty has hit the first target of 408.95. It has made a high of 405. There will be some retracement. First support around 377 here in the futures, and second support at 354. This is how market works. It will not keep going up. Generally, it will go up and it will come down for some to catch up with some breath. But the tone is positive so far, and Nifty has managed to stay above 350, 360 zone. That's good news, and that is showing the indication of possibly going to, in the daytime, going to the level of 436, 486. This is in spot that I'm talking. It can attempt 436 and 486. 486 is a strong resistance, remember. So anywhere between 436 and 486 is a good target to exit your longs. Right now it's trading at 381. Thank you, Pramod, for echoing. Sandeep says trailing SL hit 20 points booked. Very good. Pramod says RMPS that you taught us is lifesaver. Absolutely. This is something no one teaches you. They will all teach you strategies and setups, but they will not tell you what to do when the weather when the weather is bad, how to save your life. Thank you, Pramod. Rishi, good morning. Please continue to like, share, and subscribe. Let others in your network also know how you're benefiting and how it is making change in you and your trading life. Step by step, do not deploy your lakhs in trades unless until you get good into it. First, learn to drive on a Tuta Puta Maruti 800. Then you take out your Ferrari. The retracement is on. It is coming down to take some support. As I said, the first support will be around 377, 3878, and the second support is at 354. Bank Nifty is still deciding whether should I exit out of the first 3 minutes range or not. वो बेचारा कंफ्यूजन में चल रहा है अभी तक. उसको कोई थोड़ा सा आइडिया दे दो, ज्ञान दे दो कोई. Nifty is strong and as usual and is wanting to move up. The fight is tough. You're right, Karthik. Raju is saying your trade is on with a stop loss at cost waiting for target. Okay, ठीक है. Stop loss जरूर रखना. And if it gets hit, which is also a possibility, then do not fight the market. Just accept it and stay out. Momentum is not there as yet. The direction is clear, but the momentum is not there, and that's not comfortable. बैंक निफ्टी गुड मॉर्निंग। उठो। अरे, इसने सुन ली मेरी बात। हर्ड मी, हाँ। It's 9:41 already, and morning moves. Time for morning trade is only up to 9:45 unless we are seeing continued momentum. It's inching up, but it is lacking momentum. Oh, this four time frame chart is signaling something. Elite group, what do you see in the 4 minute chart, in the four time frame chart? What are you seeing? Is there any red flag? Nisam, you are on PE side in Bank Nifty and you are also right. You are also right. More often than not, in cases like today, both the trades are perfectly fine. Yes, sir, you are right, Sandeep. You spotted that. And that's the reason why we have these layouts. If you have not done your homework, you will never be able to figure out what are you anticipating. And therefore, it will be good to book out whatever he calls and be happy about it. I'm not saying there is no further upside. All I'm saying is up. There are lots of resistances on the upside. Time is 9:45. The time for morning trades is over. Chances are you may get a fall from here now. Be clear and careful. The target of 24408 is also hit. It has made a high of 24409 in the spot chart. So when the target is hit, there is always some kind of a pushback or retracement. So you may see a downfall from the target. Be careful about that. I've also closed my call positions with a small profit. It is okay, even if it goes up further. I have nothing to regret. I have closed in green, matter ends. My intraday trade is over. Yes, Pramod, correct. Your observation is also good. It's trying to break out, but that's okay. No regrets, no FOMO, nothing. Green it is. End of the discussion. Theoretical targets above, beyond this, are 443 next. They are very close targets. ये बहुत बड़े बड़े targets नहीं है. 443 next. Then we have 436. Sorry, 436, 443, and 486. If they come. So Naisam Hussain, here is the input on my trades. I'm also holding Bank Nifty puts. That's a positional trade. That's not a morning trade. Morning trade, it was Nifty calls, and I'm done. But I'm also holding Nifty puts, and that is still in profits. You know why? Because I created that position earlier. It's a positional trade running. You could do that as you go along, and then you can pick up and you can be isolated in your trades. What is long term, what is short term. I'm seeing only 21 likes here. Come on, there are about 35, 40 people here. Can you hit the like button, like, subscribe, and share? इतना प्यार तो दे सकते हो यार. पैसा नहीं, प्यार मांग रहा हूँ. Please hit the like button. No morning trade, holding Bank Nifty puts. Perfectly fine. When does the next Go Green batch start, Nisam? The registrations are on. The link is shared on already on the Telegram channel. The PDF file has the payment link for registrations. It is likely to start in the second half of August. Date is yet to be finalized. I have some personal commitments, so I'm trying to work it around that. So, and situation is evolving because I have someone coming in from overseas, so I have to plan my, commitment around that. So I'm not been able to finalize on the date, but the batch will start sometime in August, even if it is later in the August, hopefully. And the PDF that is shared, do you have access to the Telegram, Nisam? It's a pinned post. Check out, I've pinned it. Yeah, yeah, perfect, perfect. I haven't checked, but I think it's booked or overbooked already. So I might be closing the registrations very soon. Satish bought 25 lots, 25 lots, 24 400 put at 155. Oh God, क्या ही कहें. वड्डे लोग वड्डी बातें. सतीश, बेस्ट विशेस. Just focus on the move. Let's not focus on the number of lots or MTM because that is something that is personal for an individual. But I want to understand how much move has a person captured. That is what matters, and that is how psychology works. If you focus on money or MTM, then you are in trouble. But good, you are focused on. So 155 is your entry point, and do share what is your exit point. It'll be nice to see you also capturing some good move. All the best. Where are you from, Satish? Which city? And in the meanwhile, Nifty has hit the target of 408.95, having made a high of 419. You are seeing a red candle developing in the 15-minute spot charts. I will not be referring to the 3 minutes futures now. It's important to watch the multiple time frame charts now onwards. Look at how Nifty is facing a resistance after hitting the relevant resistance areas. So if you were sitting on Nifty calls, you would have either had your SL hit or you would be sitting in losses. That's why it is important to have stop loss in place and understand the levels from where the pushback can come. 24419.75 broadly 24420 420 जा करके बंद हो गया है अप मूव ऐसा लगता है. What is the multi time frame chart of bank nifty telling us? Nifty is here. What is bank nifty doing? Let's bring that up as well. Henry, good morning. Got up late. क्यों भाई नीरज चोपड़ा को देख रहे थे? I can understand. I was also watching him. Sad to see him capture silver. We all expected him to get the gold, but such is life. Nyson, your target is 111 points in Bank Nifty puts. Okay, good. All the best. But I understand from one of the interviews that I saw Neeraj speaking, he said Nadeem and he are good friends. They practice together, they participate in the tournaments together, they have been helping each other out, so they are good friends. Yeah, such is life. All right, Bank Nifty multi-time frame charts. Look at this. Bank Nifty can. Oh, this is Nifty. This is Nifty. This is also Nifty. Okay. Really? This is Bank Nifty. Okay. See, the 5 minute breakout it attempted, Bank Nifty has failed. It's again trading in the 5 minute range. Bank Nifty में दम नहीं है. And when the market weak becomes weak, Bank Nifty will be the first and the biggest to fall. If you heard what the governor said yesterday, he said there are inherent problems in our banks and banking system. He has confessed that. Therefore, even the bureaucracy has accepted publicly that there is some problem with the banks. I won't be surprised if Bank Nifty decides to move down fast in case of any turbulence. That will give far bigger returns than Nifty puts. समझदार को इशारा काफी है. 9:57. We are close to the time when we call it a day. Watch the close at 10:15 of the first 60-minute candle and then take decisions accordingly. That's the range that would help you take the further trade. Nifty is correcting because it had hit the target, it had to correct, and so is Bank Nifty. If Nifty is correcting, Bank Nifty generally has to also correct and vice versa. 24 420 broadly is the high of the day so far in spot. Is the happiness over? Do not forget to watch today and yesterday's trade plans. Lots of stuff, lots of gyan there. That will the gyan that will help you in your trading. It's not just the pure gyan which is of no use. It will help you in trading. And do not miss out today's trade plan for Monday. In fact, today I will not record the trade plan. I'll record it on Sunday. I want to take it a break. I also need to give myself some time for the other things. But I'll come up till Sunday तक record कर दूंगा Monday के लिए. Next week, ladies and gentlemen, remember is a truncated week. We have 15th August, which is Thursday. So Nifty expiry will also be on Wednesday. Remember that. And it is always difficult to trade a truncated week for buyers because the decay happens much faster. It happens 20% faster. And that's where many people lose out. So do not fight the market, do not argue with the market. बीवी से और मार्केट से बहस नहीं की जाती है. Just say sorry. End of discussion. Sorry, ladies. All married men know the reality. I still see 27 likes. Ladies and gentlemen, can you please hit the like button? Like, share, and subscribe. It's 10 o'clock. Time for me to say goodbye. आपका अपना दोस्त आपको गुड बाय कह रहा है. थैंक यू सो मच. हैव अ ग्रीन डे. एंजॉय योर सेल्फ एंड बाय बाय.